Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jac and this is my happy place. I'm so excited that you guys are here with me today. Guys, I have a big Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I have even more coming tomorrow. So if you like this type of content, please give this video a big thumbs up, like and subscribe down below, and let's get right into today's haul. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you was a book that I found. It's called The Cut. And this is it right here. It says, lose up to 10 pounds in 10 days and sculpt your best body. And this is like the back cover. It kind of has like before and after pictures on here. It does say that it retails for $27. And it does have like sample meal plans in here. I was more interested in it for like the different working out things and exercises, so it does break down like a week by week guide in here, so I just thought that that was really cool. Okay, I found some more drink mixes. I know I did haul some yesterday, but I found this Sun-Kissed low-calorie drink mix, orange peach mango. So I thought this was cool to give it a try. Here are the nutrition facts on the back in case that interests you. And you do get 6 sticks in here, so I hadn't seen this before, so I picked this one up. I also picked up another one of these Pure Kick hydration drink mixes, and there's 6 in this as well. I did already haul these and I really like these guys. I don't like I can't do a whole stick though in a water bottle. I usually do like a quarter of a stick. I'm like not really big into sugary drinks. I usually drink like unsweetened iced tea. I drink my coffee black. Like I don't really like sweet drinks, but a little bit of this like in a water bottle is really good. What I actually ended up doing was I just ripped them open and put them in like a little container, and I just do like a little tiny like 1/4 a teaspoon in my water bottle, and I do really like it because it just adds it mixes it up a little bit. So these are really good if that's something that you do like. I didn't see these for a while. Like I got them and then I didn't see them again, so I found it and I picked it back up. The next thing I got in the food department is this sugar in the raw, and these are the packets. So this is 25 in here, and I was excited to find this. I feel like these are like normally pretty expensive, so 25 for $1. Like I said, we don't really use sugar in our coffee and stuff like that, but when we have company over, it is good to be able to offer it, so I did pick up this for that. The next thing I got were these Reed's individually wrapped root beer hard candies, and there's like about 20 of them in here. It's a 4-ounce bag, so I did pick up that as well. And I got these for my dad because he like loves stuff like this. Okay, and then the next thing that I got was this Pekin shortbread cookies by Amber Farms. And I figured these would be good to try and sample Saturday too. I know it's kind of been a while since we've done one, so we're definitely working on one to get up very soon for you guys. For those of you who don't know what Sample Saturday is, I do a segment on Saturdays that I blindfold my husband and I have him taste test different foods that we get from the Dollar Tree to give you his honest opinion of what he thinks. So that way, to give you some tips and ideas for when you're out shopping at the Dollar Tree. They do have great food items and some not so great, so you'll have to check back and see what we think. Okay, I think everything's kind of like mixed today, but that's fine. So one thing I did get was these foil balloons. So these are air-filled balloons. They're 14 inches, and I did get the 70 for a birthday, but then I actually didn't end up using these. But they do have these like at Walmart too, and I think they're about the same price for like the 14-inch ones, but they have like the big ones too that they're like $5 or $6 each. So and these, they come with the straw in the back for you to inflate them, so you don't need to put helium in them as long as you're planning on hanging them like a banner kind of. Not like they're not gonna stay on a piece of string and like float. So these are really awesome and super fun for birthdays. So okay, the next thing I got were some pocket squares for my husband for his suits. So these, they come in a 2-pack, and they did have all different designs, but I don't know, like they're all different materials, like each one feels different. So one of them is like a little satiny, and then this one's like more cotton. Like it's harder, but I mean there's other things you can do with this too. You don't just have to use this for what it's meant for. I don't know, you can make like a pillowcase out of this or something, use this as the front, and then like this one as the back or something. If you wanted to get crafty with it, or just use it as for the fabric. I actually really liked this one because it kind of reminded me of like a dinner napkin. So I thought, I don't know if you could use these as a dinner napkin, but I'm all about a good tablescape, and I kind of like, that sparked my interest when I saw this. But I did just get it for the white one, but this was a good added bonus. So these are, I found these like with the socks. So they were like in that section. If you guys are looking for these, that's where I found them. But I mean, you never know. I feel like every store is different, but start there if you're looking for these. Okay, the next thing I found was, I actually already hauled this, but this is the Dentimax Max Repair Kit. So I hauled this, and I'm so sad because we ended up needing it, and then I couldn't find it. I didn't know what I did with it, and then I ended up finding it like 2 days later. So I did buy this, so that way I put it in a place that I remember of where I put it. So I am gonna stick this in my medicine cabinet so I don't forget. But this is very good for like a temporary fix until you can get to the dentist. So it's a little repair kit. And the next thing I got, guys, was more Eco Tools products. I found the bamboo charcoal facial sponge. And this says naturally removes excess oils to refresh and cleanse skin. It's vegetable fiber, vegan, and dermatologist tested. It's safe for sensitive skin. So I thought that this was cool. It is like a hard sponge, so like almost like Pomaceva, so it must exfoliate or something. But that was really nice for $1. Guys, stocking stuffers, Christmas is coming, don't forget. In the craft department, I did pick up one of these Pring temporary paint. So this is washable, and I just got one of these. I was gonna use it for something. I was making like little signs for my mother-in-law's birthday. We made like little succulent favors, and we put place settings in them. So if I do have a picture, I'll put it right here so you guys can see. And I was gonna paint the toothpick, but then I didn't end up doing it. It just was getting like too close to timing. So if I do have a picture though, I'll put it here of what that looks like. And I did pick up these paint brushes as well. These are by Crafter's Square. It's a 2-piece brush set. So you get like this little one for like detailing, and then this bigger one. Okay guys, I found some awesome sunglasses that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm just gonna try some of them on for you. I did find these on an end cap, and I love getting Dollar Tree sunglasses because I feel like I lose them all the time. Like I always lose or break my sunglasses, and these are like hard and nice quality for $1. And so then I don't feel so guilty when I break or lose them or leave them somewhere. I'm so nervous about having, I don't really like these. I'm so nervous about having like nice sunglasses because they'll just go missing. So there were definitely some fun ones like these. All these little like tags are hurting me, but like these are super fun for the beach or something like that. And like look how fun these are, guys. I was so excited. So yeah, there's all different like kinds right now. I did find a pair of like, they were really big, but I did end up giving those away. So I am on the lookout for those again though, because I do want to find them. They were like super big shades. Those were really awesome. They were black, and I think they did have like the tortoise shell looking ones. So I'm on the hunt for those again, but definitely some fun glasses right now. So go check them out. I found them on an end cap because like, I guess with like summer, but I did just find them again. So they have them in like those displays by the cash register, but I found these on an end cap, like in the middle of the store. So don't just look like there. They could have them on those strips. They're all over the place. So okay guys, let's go into toys. So the first thing I picked up was this Barbie bathtub. So this could go in like the Barbie dream house or something like that, but I also did purchase it, like not necessarily for that. I was thinking for Christmas time. I remember like last year I was trying to find these around Christmas time and I couldn't find them, so I wanted to pick up one now because I thought this was a great idea for a gift. Hear me out. So I was thinking it's like this little cute bathtub, and you could do like a Bath and Body Works gift card or something like that in here, like with a little bit of like that string, grass string, and like a bath bomb and the gift card, and like wrap it all up, and it will look really, really cute like displayed in this. So I was trying to do something like that, even just like maybe for my coworkers or something. I just thought that this was like a cute idea to do with something. You can even fit like probably like a hand soap from Bath and Body Works and like a gift card or something. I don't know. I just had a couple ideas with this, so that's why I did pick up one of these. So I thought that this was a great find for $1, but it will also work in your kid's Barbie dream house. The next thing for the toys I got were these markers. So these are the ones I got. This one's Sesame Street, and then they also had My Little Pony, and they did have like Transformers. I can't remember the other ones, but there were like a couple different character ones. I did just get these just to put away for Christmas, so that's why I grabbed them while I saw them. But these are really cute. So you get 8 non-toxic markers in each one. And they do have the different characteristics. So I thought those were really cute. Next thing, and then we have my jackpot item. So the next thing I got was this. So this is a Mulan Pop-Ups Lollipop. So it's not open right now. Oh yeah, so hold on. So it goes like that. And I just thought this was really cute and fun. So every time like a new Disney movie comes out, me and my husband, we go with our niece and like we go to the movies. So since the movies like aren't a thing right now, we were already discussing like when Mulan comes out. So I picked this up because I know we're gonna watch it with her. So I thought that this would be fun to like bring with us when we go over to her house to watch her, or when she comes here to watch it. And I just thought that this was so cute and so fun and very festive for when we get to. So how fun is that for the movies? And I'm pretty sure you can put another lollipop in here like once this one's gone. So 2 in 1. Last thing, well, it's things. My jackpot item is like a bunch, it's a category of stuff. So there's more than one thing right now. So I found so many Barbie things at the Dollar Tree. I cannot believe it, especially guys, Christmas. So let me just start with what I found. So the first thing I found was this headband pack, and it has like a rack for it and everything, and it's all different like head accessories. So you get like a tiara, a headbands, like a couple different headbands, and then some sunglasses, and it has its own display case that it comes with. Then I also found these a shoe pack. So this is like a shoe rack with different kinds of shoes on it. And then, where is it? Okay, and then they also had a handbag pack. So this has like a little rack too with the different pocketbooks, and like it hangs them. So guys, oh my God, like with Christmas coming up, can you believe this? Like at the Dollar Tree right now. So look at all these. So I found all of this, and then I also found, so they had like these friends or whatever they're called, but they're this one's the kitten, and it comes with a little ball of yarn, so they had like the pet and then an accessory. And then there's this like cute little puppy with the bone, and then a bunny with a carrot. So they have like the pets too, look. So guys, so much Barbie stuff, and I actually have some more coming tomorrow. So like there's so much Barbie stuff right now. So if that's something your kids like, or if you're looking to donate for the holidays, or if you have nieces, nephews, kids that like this, the Barbie stuff, like, oh my God, there's so many awesome toys. So make sure you keep checking back and make sure that you are on the lookout. I always check the toy aisle, like no matter what. Like I said, I don't even have kids, but I always check because there's such amazing deals. So look, put stuff away. I know it's so hard to sometimes because you just want to give it to them right away, but put it away. Like, just put it in a box, and then you'll have all your Christmas shopping done. So guys, that is everything that I have for you today. This is today's haul. I'm so happy that you guys joined me for this. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you do have Instagram, I'd love for you to follow me there. I will put my handle right here so you guys can follow me. I have so many like things that I post on there too, because I am shopping all the time, and I would love for you guys to follow me so that way you could see some things that I find during my different hauls while I'm shopping that I might not necessarily purchase or need, but I will post it because you guys might be on the lookout for it or be interested in it, or it's something that you could want. So I still like to post those things anyway. So it's another way to check in with me throughout the week. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe down below. I'm so happy to have you here with me and coming back to check out my videos. So thank you. It means so much to me that you guys are here. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you very soon with my next haul. Bye guys.